this is your website. The reason that I'm recording this video for you is that I am being trained in website design, and I want to show you a website that you might like. Wait. Okay, this is the website. My boss figures that an agency could get like $1,200 to $1,500 or more for a website like this. I would add your photos in this gallery link, and your contact details on this link, together with a map on the side. Let me do that there on the side. And also, if you have any other information about the services that you're offering, you can also add it here. This link, services, there. And of course, about the company, your company profile on this link. Now, if this website would be good for you, please do me a favor and hit the reply and let me know. If not, no big deal. Oh, I forgot to mention, my name is Julie and I'm working at Agent Boomer Marketing in Red Deer. Talk to you soon.